We have no time to be counting all the minutes that go by. So I'll write all my answers in advance and hope they're right. I close my eyes and start to look around for clarity of mind. You're out of sight, still I feel your glances from behind it. From day one, we used riddles to describe how we feel. Two words, each other's playful side, like birds in flight. You hold your breath and keep on flying round in circles till you get what you want. You dare to take me places I've forgotten. From day one, we used riddles to describe how we feel. Two words, each other's playful side, like birds in flight. You are free to glide without having to decide, 'cause there's so many lovely birds inside. Watched me dive and climb and spin around for fun. You heard me sing, I tried to sound more lovely to your ears than all these birds inside.